Hi guys, Ian here. Welcome to my channel, to another video. It's been a little while since I've done a car chat. So as I've got a few miles of straight road, I thought I would touch base. Just park this gun a minute. Yeah, I was out walking this morning and it's a glorious day in South Wales, UK today. Blue sky, just gentle breeze, sun's beaming down. Wonderful time to be walking. And I was looking at the sun, well, not looking at it, but catching a glimpse of it. It was blazing in the sky, and I was thinking about what a marvel it is, what a marvel our sun is, our star, the star of our solar system. And you know, science estimates that in our galaxy, the Milky Way, there are 100,000 million stars. Wow. So I'm marveling at our own star, but there are 100,000 million of them in the Milky Way. One galaxy. And science also estimates from what it can see, from our little blue dot, the observable universe, that there are 2 trillion galaxies that it can see, which probably means there are more. So 2 trillion times 100,000 million, I don't know what that is, but it's a lot of noughts. That's how many suns there are. That's how many star lamps there are in the heavens. Wow. And you know, for millennia, humankind has revered the sun. And you know, both in its physical context, but also in a spiritual context. It's not without significance that, if you think of the world religions, sons of God. In many religions, sons are born, they're sacrificed, and they're resurrected. Like the sun, it's born in the morning, it dies at night, it's resurrected the next day. So we see the influence of the sun in the spirituality of humankind. Amazing. And what I find even more amazing, and this concept is what first drew me to Kabbalah. I just thought, well, in what does space exist? This immeasurable, unmappable to its extremes realm. Now, the Kabbalist teaching is that the supreme being, the infinite source, Ain Soph Aur, is, well, let's break it down. Ain is nothing. It is the extreme negation of all things knowable, all things tangible, all things conceivable. So the Ain in Ain Soph Aur is beingness without any characteristic whatsoever. It is no thing. Ain Soph is without limit, so no thing without limit. So it is, whatever it is, this nothingness is all and everywhere. And the Aur, the Ain Soph Aur, is limitless light. So not the light of the sun, but the light of the essence of this no-thingness. So from that we understand that the Ain Soph Aur of the Kabbalist is the only thing that there is the all that there is. Wherever there is, it is. There is nowhere where it is not. There is nothing that it is not. It is unity without character, without division. So how then can anything else exist if unity is all and everywhere and everything? Kabbalistic theory is that infinity constricted itself. It withdrew a part of itself from an area. It limited itself, creating a space in which things that are not unity could be and could exist and could live. How fantastic is that? I mean, that just hooks me right to the core of my being, that divinity would sacrifice, if you like, an aspect of its own fullness in an area that other life might exist. Now, that's not to say that God, that divinity, has withdrawn itself totally from the area of space, because the fact that Ain Soph is all that there is doesn't change. So what is in space is still Ain Soph. The galaxies, the stars, the planets, nature, you, me, we are Ain Soph, but not in fullness. Something of the full essence of Ain Soph has been withdrawn, that we can exist separately and not as part of the unity. That we might gain our own experience, that we might have our own journey, that we might be multiple, that we might have an experience separate from the oneness of unity. So these 100,000 million stars times 2 trillion galaxies and more that isn't observable all have their being within divinity, but within a hollowed out space, so that we have scope to be and move and express. I love this. This feels right. This speaks to me. And, you know, to go on, I think, could this be the love of God that's talked about, that passes all understanding? That divinity would limit itself in an area of its own being, that we might have our own experience. I think so. Anyway, I'm going to stop now, because I find if I think about these things for too long, it feels like my head's going to explode. Anyway, I wanted to share my stream of consciousness with you, and so I have. I'll speak to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.